Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Moto G32 versus Moto G42. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Discuss about camera. Let's start with Motorola Moto G32. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 और micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 और STR LED flash. Let's talk about Motorola Moto G42. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 और micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 और HDR LED flash. G32 come around 17,000 of $214 of 4GB RAM or 128GB internal storage, और Moto G42 come around 14,000 of $176 of 4GB RAM or 64GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Motorola Moto G32 versus Moto G52. Design are same, display are the also same, camera is also the same, hardware is also the same on both the phone, connectivity are same. There is a better charger on Moto G32 and price is also better on Motorola Moto G42. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching our video.